I'm back again. I can only record for 10 minutes on our YouTube channel. So that was the first 10 minutes. And now I'm going to carry on blending our cookie dough. But I'm going to add a little more water. The recipe doesn't really tell me how much, so just a little bit at a time until I have cookie dough. All right, remember to block your ears if it's too noisy for you. I'm going to carry on blending. Nearly there. Can you see it starting to look like cookie dough? And it smells so tasty. All right. And these cookies you don't even have to bake. See how my cookie dough is collected all on top of the stick, the blender stick? Just going to scoop it off back down into the jug. And the dates are starting to blend with the peanut butter, so it's starting to look like cookie dough. Are you ready? Block your ears if it's too noisy. We are ready to make our sticky sticks. So I'm just going to get the rest of the dough off of the blender stick with a scoop and a scoop and a scoop and a scoop. Now, I've called these cookies sticky sticks because we're practicing the st sound, but you can actually shape the dough into any shape you'd like. Any shape at all. You could make stars if you want to. You could make smiley faces if you want to. So I'm just going to push this plate out the way. Yep, we're all good there. You need some baking paper because remember how I said they don't go in the oven at all. They go in the fridge. So here's my baking paper on the table. Can you see? Yes, you can. Beautiful. And I need a spoon. Remember I cleaned my hands at the beginning? So I'm going to scoop out some dough, and I'm going to put a spoonful on the baking paper. Another spoonful. Okay, I'm going to keep mine in normal round cookie shapes. I'm not going to shape them because it really is very sticky, which is the fun part. You get to use your fingers to shape all the cookie dough. Okay. Going to scrape out the last of the cookie dough from here. Oh, sorry. Can you see it there? The last of the cookie dough. And then we're going to have a look. Oh, the star fell from the sky like a swooping star. I wonder, have some of you read that story, Swooping from the Milky Way? I'd love to know what you think of it. Okay. I'm going to use my spoon to flatten the cookie dough a little bit. Oh, it's very sticky. Sticky. Okay, now all you need to make them look like did our picture go away? There it is, we're back on. All you need to do is put your cookies on the tray, on the baking paper like that, into the fridge for 1 hour. That's not a very long time. You could play musical statues. Statues. Do you remember how that goes? I don't have music here, but we can pretend we're singing and dancing, and when the music stops, you have to freeze like a statue. You can play that for an hour, sing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and the music stops and freeze like a statue. Or you could read a story, story, or you could do the stomp dance. If I stand up, you won't be able to see me because I'll be above the camera, but have a listen for the stomp sound. Ready? The stomp dance. Stomp dance. Or if you live near a park, you can ask mommy or daddy to take you to go and look for a stick. Stick. I would love to know all the things you found or did that start with a st sound. And, oh, the stars are falling from the sky. And let me know in the comments if you can think of some names that start with a st sound. And remember to let me know in the comments if you use something else besides peanut butter. Well, I had so much fun today, boys and girls. Thanks for joining me. Please let me know what you thought of our sticky stick cookie dough. Bye for now.